Welcome to this video. Today we are going to cover the topic of how to use the initiative deck. This deck is a separate product that you can buy. Let us familiarize with the deck. Cards can be recognized by the logo of a great house from the Succession Wars era. And you have 2 Star Lord cards. Each one of these groups of cards are called a suit. There are 5 suits and 2 Star Lord cards. Each suit is composed by an A card that serves as 1, then cards from 2 to 10, and cards M, D, and L. A stands for Aces, M stands for Mech Warrior, D stands for Duke, and L stands for Succession Warlord. The rules of the Initiative Deck Manual proposes a change in the handling of unequal number of mechs. Let us see an example. In this example, Player 1 has 4 mechs, Player 2 has 2 mechs, and Player 3 has 5 mechs. The 5th mech moves first. Now Players 1 and 3 have a 4th mech to move. Then Players 1 and 3 move the 3rd mech. Then all players move the 2nd mech. And finally, they move the remaining mech. As you may notice, we have not used the initiative deck yet. The manual of the deck proposes a minigame of initiative called Alternative Initiative. So, instead of using dice to roll for initiative, we pick a suit and build a deck with the number of cards equal to the number of players. We deal 1 card to each player. Then we create another deck with another suit, and this will be the initiative deck. We shuffle the initiative deck, and then we expose the cards, and it will determine the order in which players will play. In this example, Player 1 got the 8 card, Player 2 got a 3, and Player 3 got a 2. Since the initiative deck has cards A, 2, and 3, it means Player 1 goes first, Player 3 goes second, and Player 2 goes next. It is simpler than you thought, don't you think? Now let us explain another minigame of initiative. In this one, we will create a deck with a certain number of suits and a number of Star Lord cards. We shuffle the deck and players will be given 1 card. Each card has a text in it, giving instructions about what happens when a player activates that card. Player may decide to activate the card and use it, or not use it. If card is used, player follows the instructions from the card, and the card goes to the discard pile, and player picks another card from the deck. Notice that if a player decides not to use a card, some cards have penalties for players who do not use the card. The initiative deck also has other 2 initiative minigames called Poker and Drax, but I will leave them to you to read. Thank you for watching this video. This would be a good moment to like and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.